Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem that is just trying to solve it, or attempting to solve it, talking through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So, problem I'm going to be attempting to solve today is 2490 circular sentence. So a sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space and with no leading or trailing spaces. For example, hello world, hello world, hello world are all sentences. A word consists of only uppercase and lowercase English letters. Uppercase and lowercase English letters are considered different. A sentence is circular if the last letter of every word or of a word is equal to the first character of the next word, and the last character of the last word is equal to the first character of the first word. For example, LeetCode exercises sound delightful. LeetCode, Eat Soul are all circular sentences, however LeetCode is cool. Happy LeetCode and I like LeetCode are not circular sentences. That's because if we take the E from LeetCode, that matches up with the E in exercises. S here matches up with sound, D here matches up with delightful, and L matches up with LeetCode. So we just have to return a boolean, true or false. Constraints, the length of the sentence is between 1 and 500. The sentence is going to have upper lowercase letters and spaces, and each word is separated with a space. So, there are also no leading or trailing spaces. So I'm just going to go over to my notes. So, first thing we need to do is split sentence into words. Loop through each word. Check last index of, or last check value at last index of word is equal to value at the first index of next word. If current index is the length, I guess. If current index is the end of the sentence, check if the value at the first index of the first word is equal to check if the value at the if current index check if the last index of the word is equal to the value at the index of the first word. If false at any point, break or return false. Otherwise, return true. Okay. I'm going to take this and just copy paste it into here. Comment it out. And so the first thing I want to look up is how you can split into sentences. I've forgotten how you do this. Split into, or not into sentences, into words. Split. Yep. So words is equal to sentence dot split. Just going to check that word, print words. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is look through them. So for word and range length of words, what are we going to do? We're going to check if the words word -1 is equal to, or if it's not equal to, sorry, if words where it's of the last index of the last index of the word is equal to the value at the first index of the next word. So if this is equal to words word +1 and 0. So that's our first thing, and the second one was if the current index is at the end of the sentence. So if word is equal to length of words -1. Is that right? Yes, it is. If it's equal to the length of words -1, then we're going to say if word -1 is not equal to words word or words 0 0. So we're gonna, so if this, and then we're also gonna check if this return false, and then we're also gonna return false here. Otherwise, we're going to return true. Oh, I used these indexes wrong. It should be like this. And like this. Same here. This should be an else if. Case is accepted. Gonna submit. And accepted. So thank you very much for watching the whole video. If you sat through the whole thing, I hope this was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, and if you had any other solutions that were maybe a bit more efficient or was just another way of doing things, please let me know. Love discussing these problems, and yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.